9 minus 3 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2 times 6 will give us 12. This answer is wrong because according to order of operation called PEMDAS, P here stands for parentheses. We begin with the one in parentheses. E stands for exponent, something like 2 square. M and D stand for multiplication and division. You evaluate from left to right. So after parentheses, we'll solve the multiplication here. And then A and S stand for addition and subtraction. After we solve this multiplication, we'll be working on the subtraction and addition. So having said that, let's apply it here. We have 6 divided by 2 will give us 3 minus 1, all in parentheses. So we have minus 3 here, and then we have 9 here. 3 minus 1 will give us 2. There is multiplication here, times 3. We have the subtraction, and we have the 9 here. Now, 3 times 2 will give us 6. We have the subtraction here. We have the 9 here. Now, 9 minus 6 will give us 3. So the correct answer to this equation is 3.